Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect Headway to MetaTrader 4. And we can do this by creating first a new account. We will do a demo account. So we click on Standard, Next, MetaTrader 4, Next. Now this is for us not a problem, but let's do the leverage on 1. This is fine. And then we create a password right here. Then from now we click here on create account, and then right here you have the password standing right here and you have the login code standing on this place. So right now what we're gonna do is we click here on download MetaTrader 4, click on the setup, then we do yes, next, and now he is downloading the MetaTrader right here. Then click on next. And then right now we need to log in with our existing account. And we have the details standing on the account that we created on Headway. So we do right here the login code and then back to the site. And then we do our password standing right here. And now we do finish. Then we have the MetaTrader 4 standing right here, and now it works. So now we connected our Headway to MetaTrader 4. So this is how you can connect your MetaTrader with Headway. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.